So we need to define the update method so that the pills fall from the top of the screen. And yeah, so since the pills aren't moving left or right, it's going to be pretty simple to do. Here we have our class pill, and we need to define an update method. So we'll say def update, and then inside, well, you need to understand that we're going to be running update for every pill that's on the screen, every iteration of this while loop. So that's like 60 times a second. And what do you want the pill to do? Well, you want the pill to fall downward. And what determines the pill's position on the screen? Well, that is the rect, right? Because when we go to blit him, we're going to be blitting his image at his rect. And so more specifically, what portion of the rect do we need to adjust, right? Well, the blit uses the X position of the rect and the Y position of the rect to blit the pill on the screen. And so the pill's not moving left or right, he's just moving up or down, so we're just going to affect the Y position of the rect. And what do you need to do to it? Well, since 0 is at the top of the screen and 570 is the bottom of the screen, we need to add to the pill's Y position to move him off the screen, right? So then when we're here, we simply need to, what do we need to do? We need to say self.rect.y plus equals speed, right? Whatever that is. And I went ahead and defined the speed variable here as an instance variable of the pill. So that's what we could use here. And if you feel that it's going too fast, you could change that to a 1 or a 2, or even increase its speed. And that'll do it, right? We can't test it because we still haven't gotten to that place where we're actually creating the pills. But that's how it should go. And just one thing to keep in mind is that when the pill goes off the screen, you're going to want to remove it from the game, right? But we'll go ahead and talk about that later. And for now, that's pretty much all you need to do is just define that update method.